Model S Frunk size answering the question. So, how big is the Frunk on a Tesla Model S? It offers 5.3 cubic feet, 150 liters of storage space. Think of it as being roughly equivalent to a large cooler or a small suitcase. While not huge, it's a useful addition to the car's overall storage capacity. Let's break down the dimensions. The Model S Frunk is approximately 40 inches wide, 30 inches deep, and 25 inches tall. Understanding these dimensions helps you visualize what you can realistically fit inside. Keep in mind, the shallow depth is a key limitation. What can you actually put in the Tesla Model S Frunk? Users commonly fit a week's worth of groceries, including fresh produce and packaged items, as shown in this example. 2 golf bags can also fit comfortably in the Frunk space. Many owners use it for sports equipment like this. Even a disassembled mountain bike frame can be accommodated, though it requires careful packing and disassembly, as demonstrated here. Overall, the Frunk works best for lightweight items and serves as supplemental storage rather than a primary trunk. Don't expect to fit large suitcases for multiple people. The Frunk has important limitations that must be considered for safe and optimal use. The Frunk has a weight limit of 110 pounds, or 50 kilograms, to protect the high-voltage battery cooling system located underneath. This cooling system is crucial for maintaining battery temperature and performance. Exceeding the weight limit could damage the battery or affect vehicle safety. Avoid placing heavy or oversized items in the Frunk, as they could strain the battery cooling system or compromise vehicle stability. Be cautious about placing hot items directly on the Frunk floor to prevent heat transfer to the battery, which could affect its performance and longevity. To make the most of your Frunk, use organizers or bins to maximize space. Use organizers or bins to keep items neat and maximize the available space. Focus on lightweight, flat items like blankets. Consider packing emergency kits or shopping bags that can lay flat. Avoid overstuffing, as this can compromise aerodynamics. A 2024 SAE study shows organizers can help you utilize 85% of the space efficiently. While the Tesla Model S Frunk offers convenient storage at 5.3 cubic feet, competitors are providing larger Frunk spaces. The Ford F-150 Lightning has a similar 4.5 cubic foot Frunk, but with less depth, while Polestar models like 2 and 3 offer over 20 cubic feet. Tesla's design focuses on maintaining the Model S's aerodynamic profile and long driving range rather than expanding the Frunk size. Experts generally rate the Tesla Model S Frunk around a 7 out of 10 for usability. While it's praised for its convenience in electric vehicles, it's often criticized for its limited size compared to traditional trunks. As one Forbes analyst noted, the Model S Frunk is adequate but not game-changing, serving its purpose without revolutionizing vehicle storage. User surveys reveal that 65% of electric vehicle owners use their Frunks weekly for storage needs. However, only 40% consider them spacious enough for longer family trips, highlighting the Frunk's limitations for extended travel. These images show the actual trunk and Frunk spaces in the Model S. While the Frunk provides convenient additional storage, expert and user feedback consistently points to its adequacy rather than excellence in capacity. Looking ahead, industry trends point to larger and more versatile Frunks in electric vehicles. Competitors like Polestar and Rivian are already offering expanded Frunk options exceeding 20 cubic feet, setting new standards for EV storage. Tesla might enhance the Model S Frunk in future refreshes, driven by growing user demand for more versatility in urban commuting and e-commerce delivery, as well as increasing competition in the market. As an example of what's coming, the upcoming Cybertruck features a massive Frunk over 100 cubic feet. Future trends could include hybrid Frunk designs, integrating solar panels for energy generation, or modular storage options, such as Rivian's gear tunnel extensions that expand capacity. Keep an eye out for potential upgrades to the Model S after 2026 as Tesla responds to these industry developments.